Hi, and welcome back to ICP DAS USA's YouTube channel. Today, we have another application story for you all about solar farms. Solar farms are an efficient way to capture energy from the sun using large banks of solar panels. This captured energy is stored in high-capacity batteries, which either store the energy for later use or convert the stored energy into AC electricity using inverters. When solar farms capture the energy from the solar panels, the resulting energy is in DC, or direct current. Before the energy can be added to the energy grid, it must be converted to AC, or alternating current. This can be done using highly efficient inverters. To monitor the process, two critical points require attention. Firstly, the DC voltage and current are obtained from the solar panels and stored in the batteries, providing an indication of the amount of captured energy. The second parameter is the AC voltage and current generated and fed into the power grid. By analyzing these two values, the solar farm can effectively monitor its efficiency and keep a record of the energy produced. ICP DAS offers products that monitor and collect this valuable data. Our analog input modules, such as the ET7017, have recently been utilized by many solar farms to capture the current produced by the solar panels. By connecting a current transducer input, which monitors the DC current around the wire between the solar panel and battery, the amount of DC current can be monitored. To track the power generated, a PM3000 series power meter can be utilized, allowing measurement of voltage, current, and power parameters. The data collected from these two devices is then communicated to a central SCADA data logging computer to monitor and log via Modbus TCP. Well, that's it for today's application story. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give us a like if you did, and subscribe to our channel for more application stories like this coming soon. And don't forget to check out the links in our description and visit our website to find the products mentioned in the video. Thanks so much. Have a great one. Bye-bye.